In this video, we are going to cover the new add-on introduced in the Zurich release, DataType ACL. But first, let's quickly revise what an ACL is. In ServiceNow, an Access Control List, or ACL, defines who can view or modify data. It checks user roles, conditions, and scripts to control access and keep your information secure. In addition to the existing types of ACL, ServiceNow introduced a new type called the DataType ACL. As the name suggests, it works based on the type of field, allowing you to apply access controls across all fields of that type. In ServiceNow, a DataType ACL lets you control access to all fields of a certain type, like text, numbers, or references, across your tables. Unlike regular ACLs, which only protect a specific field, all fields in a table, or fields with a certain name, DataType ACLs make it easier to apply security rules consistently across your instance. The syntax for a DataType ACL is square open bracket, the data type you want to restrict, square close bracket, like this. In this demo, I'm creating a string data type ACL with the write operation. I'm allowing only the @admin role to write to any string type field across the platform. All non-admin users will be restricted automatically. Now let's begin. The first change on the ACL form is this new Change Mode button. When I click on it, the table and field input switch into an empty open string field. Now I can define a DataType ACL using the pattern, DataType. Here I can write something like *open bracket HTML close bracket for all HTML type fields across the system. But in our example, I want a string DataType ACL, so I will write string. Now, moving to the advanced section, I add my script where I allow only the @admin role to write to all string type fields. All non-ITIL admin users will be restricted. And that's it, the setup is complete. Now let's test this. To test the data type ACL, I'm using two personas, ITIL_admin and ITIL_user. As you can see on the screen, I'm opening both user records to show you the roles they have. The ITIL_admin user has the ITIL_admin role assigned. Now let's open the ITIL_user account. This user has only the basic ITIL role. Now let's test it. First, I impersonate the ITIL_admin user and open the incident list. I go into any incident record and you can see that all the string type fields are fully editable. I can type in the short description, make changes, and save the record without any restriction. Since this user has the ITIL_admin role, the data type ACL allows full write access to all string fields. Next, I switch to the ITIL_user persona and impersonate this user. I open the same incident list and go into a record. Now you'll notice that the short description field is completely read-only. The same behavior applies to every other string type field on the form, none of them allow editing. Since this user only has the basic ITIL role and not ITIL_admin, the data type ACL blocks write access for all string fields across the system. So this confirms that our data type ACL is working exactly as expected, allowing write access only for ITIL_admin and restricting it for all other users.